this is Miss Waddy. I am just saying hello for week 3. I did not post a lot of assignments. This is a little bit of a light week, and last week we did research and finding out how to conduct research and find a journal article. So this week I just wanted to focus on something that's a little easier. It's communication, or at least it's easier for most people. But I have a few documents for you to review and then one reflection, but I don't want to make this very assignment heavy this week because you have your midterm wiki due that you've been doing with your partner for the last 3 weeks. So please contact me if you run into any issues, and I'll be around to have any discussions or to do any Google Hangouts or something like that if you really want to talk about your wiki. But reach out to me if you need to. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing your projects.